Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using the LaColors Peach Fizz little palette. You can find these at the Dollar General. They are $2.50 each. You can also buy these palettes on their website. There's also a blue palette on their website, very beautiful, and I believe these are $4 each on the website, so grab them at your Dollar General. I'm using the Eyestudio Soft Base because it's $1, and we're going to be taking the LaColors Peach Fizz eyeshadow palette. These palettes are so bright and fun. I'm going to be taking the 6th shade in the palette, and I believe I am showing Fallout there. I'll be showing that periodically through the video just because there is a lot of kickback in these pans. That's okay. Look at how these shadows perform. I'm going to build this orange shade up a bit, and I'm kind of messily placing it in the crease because a lot of it will be covered up. Just a little teensy bit of it's going to peek over the outer corner shade, and I like that. I love that fade up into the brow bone shade, and I'm going to be taking shade 8 and 9 mixed together, shown here, on the same blending brush, and I'm going to be pouncing that, pressing it into the outer corner for max pigment payoff. These shadows are very pigmented actually. These are really nice LaColors palettes. But I always apply this in regards to formula, brands, whatever. I will try to get max payoff as quickly as I can. So pressing that in and building it up is the best way to do that. And that's going directly in the outer corner and about halfway across the lid as well. So I'm going to take my shadow switch and clean my brush off, and taking that same, see all the fallout, kick back in the pans there, and it's getting everywhere. So I'm going to clean off that brush, and I just went back in with more of those shades, and now I am taking shadow number 7 in the palette just on my finger because some of the shadows will apply better on your finger, using your finger or foiled versus just the plain brush. These work fantastic foiled, but this day and I got max payoff with this lid shade by using my finger. I applied that on the rest of the lid, so about halfway over half of the lid, and I brought it up into the crease a bit, and it really opens the eye, and it's a very beautiful shimmery orange shade, or a shimmery tangerine or mandarin orange shade. So beautiful. And I'm using this pressed face powder from Eyestudio, also a $1 product, and I'm using that to highlight with. So once I apply that and blend that down in the crease, I'm going to wipe away fallout. I'm going to apply the shimmery orange shade that we used on the lid, on the lower lash line, and also on that brush I picked up a combination of the shades that we used in the outer corner as well. I just blend them all together. I'm taking shadow 1 from the palette, which is a shimmery kind of champagne shade, and just barely putting that under the brow bone just to add a little bit of shimmer there, and it looks so pretty. And this is the second look I've done with this palette. I didn't film the first one, but it was more of a neutral look with a pop of blue. I know, right? And this is the LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black, and this one is called Wonder, I believe. And these are so pigmented, build it up so nicely, creamy smooth. I'm doing a full review on Friday, you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to review all the LaColors products I've been using, including this LaColors Bigge Lash Mascara. All these products, just inside, I'm impressed. So after that's done, I'm going to take this Maybelline little eyeshadow palette. I don't even know the name of it, but I'm just using this shimmery silver shade in the palette. I put it in my project pan because I hit pan on it. I really love it, but this is the only shade I love in it. So I'm going to finish this shadow up, which I typically don't put shadows in there. Love this lip combination, Maybelline Nude Lust lipstick and LaColors Holographic Heavenly Lip Gloss. Such a pretty lip combo, and I'm using LaColors Rose Face Mist to set my makeup in place all day. And pretty much that is the finished look. I love how it turned out. It's very beautiful, bright, in your face pops of color. The blue eyeliners work because blue and orange are complementary colors, and it's just a beautiful summery look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll try it out for yourself. Stay tuned for more LaColors makeup tutorials. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching,